Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Today I am sharing a set of 6 steampunk vintage cards that I created with one of my new steampunk vintage printables. The purpose of this video is to show you the cards, show you the printables. It's a sneak peek video tutorial and the full tutorial is available in the Papercraft Secrets classroom. This is the Steampunk Vintage Cards and Layouts printable that I used to create the cards. This is available on my website at www.papercraftsecrets.com.au. It is also available in the Papercraft Secrets classroom with the complete video tutorials. Lots and lots of pages in this printable. We have the full page backgrounds. We have the card bases. We have extra smaller card bases. We have tags, balloons, animal images, mechanical images, and sentiments. To begin with, I created a square card, or 6 square cards, and then I added a layer on top of my card base. Then I decorated with an animal or a person, like an image, a main image for my card. When I was happy with that, I added some extra embellishments and some sentiments and glued all of those down. These are really good for masculine cards, birthday cards, Father's Day cards. When you're needing an idea for a masculine card, this is a great printable to go to. And finally, I finished with some embellishments. This is my grandmother's button collection. She used to save the buttons off clothing before they were, used as a rag at the end of their clothing lifespan. And so I have inherited some of her buttons and I'm using them today on my cards as an embellishment. You could also use rhinestones or paper clips or staples or cogs, anything sort of masculine with steering away from flowers on these steampunk cards. And this is the completed set of cards. A lot of them I've already actually used and given away. They've been very versatile. I used 2 of them for Father's Day this year. And I think I've given 2 of these away for a birthday. So they have actually been very useful in my card stash. If you would like to see the complete tutorial for these cards, you will need to join the Papercraft Secrets classroom. This is where you get a free printable every month and 4 video tutorials, so it's definitely worth your while to sign up to the Papercraft Secrets classroom if you are loving printables as much as I am. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you have a lovely crafty day.